Hey guys! A couple of months ago I ordered several tubes of acrylic gouache paints. I found them on sale and had never used them before, so I figured, why not? They're extremely smooth paints and seem to be highly pigmented, so I think that they are perfect for use in bloom pouring medium. Instead of the usual layering that I do for acrylic bloom pours, I decided to combine methods and do a dirty cup to apply the colors to the canvas. For my base, I'm using Valspar 2000 in High Hide White. You can pretty much use any base color that you would like. The white works for me, but you can play around with different brands to see what you like the best. The pouring medium that I'm mixing with my colors is 3 parts of Valspar Signature untinted house paint in base C with 1 part gloss polycrylic. Again, this paint works for me. But try out different kinds to see what works best for you. Just make sure you stick with a base C or a base 3 to get the most vibrant colors. Some bases are thinner than others, so you may have to adjust your ratio of polycrylic or paint accordingly to get your desired consistency. I have a whole list of cell activator recipes for blooms. I can't exactly remember which mix I was using for this one, but I'll leave a link to the playlist for all of my recipes in the description below. After I swirled the colors from the dirty cup onto the canvas, I decided that I wanted to go ahead and try out my Crystal Lame gouache as well. It's basically glitter paint, and a little goes a surprisingly long way. From there, I apply my cell activator to a long offset spatula and gently pull it over the colors. If you don't have a spinner, you can tilt and stretch the cells if you would like. Even though I've thrown quite a few canvases off of it since I've been using it, I love my cake spinner. Alright guys, I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of this pour. As usual, I have some close-up shots at the end. This time, I actually already have a gloss varnish on it. I added a couple of coats of triple thick spray to it. I'm near convinced that this is the next best thing to resin as far as shine and gloss go, and twice as easy to use. Krylon and Rust-Oleum both make a version if you want to check it out for yourself. I really love how vivid the gouache paints dry, and they definitely have a permanent place in my color arsenal. If you have any questions, feel free to ask away in the comments. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!